Digital marketing meets crypto, a powerful duo. Digital marketing, it's how you reach people online, social media ads, you name it. Cryptocurrency, digital money, secure and global. Together they're unstoppable. Reach a global audience, build trust, and watch your sales skyrocket. Crypto is the future of money. Digital marketing is the future of selling. Be a part of this revolution. Crypto marketing. Huge potential, huge rewards. The crypto world is booming. Millions are joining every day. That's millions of potential customers for you. Think big. Target global markets, reach passionate communities, and build a loyal following. Don't miss out. This is your chance to get in early and ride the wave of success. Your first crypto campaign, easy as 1, 2, 3. Ready to dive in? It's easier than you think. First, choose your platform. Twitter, Facebook, find your audience. Next, craft your message. Keep it simple, exciting, and focus on the benefits of your product. Finally, track your results. What's working? What's not? Adjust and optimize for maximum impact. Section 4. Watch out. Crypto marketing mistakes to avoid. The crypto world can be tricky. Don't fall for common traps. Research regulations, protect your investments, be wary of scams. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Stick to reputable platforms and exchanges. Remember, knowledge is power. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and you'll navigate the crypto world like a pro. Section 5. The future is crypto. Ride the wave to success. Crypto is here to stay. It's changing the world, and you can be a part of it. Embrace the future, embrace the possibilities. Start small, dream big, learn, adapt, and never stop innovating. The crypto world rewards those who hustle. The future is bright, the future is crypto. Are you ready to claim your piece of the pie?